Who was with Falcone at the docks?
Cho murdered my parents, and they deserve...
Don't pretend you wanted to do this for them.
Happy birthday, Bruce.
Oh, Mr. Earl. Good of you to come.
Not everybody thought you'd make it this far.
Sorry to disappoint.
Who was with Falcone at the docks?
I don't know, I swear to God.
Swear to me!
Cobb. It was Cobb. Look, we need to go. We need to tell...
Rest. Gordon knows. Gotham needs you.
And you serve Gotham?
I serve justice. It's not who I am underneath, but what I do that defines me. Trouble?
Nothing I can't handle.
He knows who was at the docks.
He won't talk.
He'll talk to me. Who was with Falcone at the docks?
I don't know, I swear to God.
Swear to me.
What in God's name are you?
I'm Batman.